every now and again I just need to remind myself how lucky I am. You know, a few years ago there I was in a corporate world, and you know, they might talk about high pressure and stress, but ultimately I enjoyed what I did. But now I'm working in the digital space, running in my own online business, and actually having time to work how, where and when I want to work. And that means that if I want to come out on the golf course and enjoy such beautiful weather, a bit of exercise and the challenge of trying to chase this white ball around 18 holes in a golf course, I can do that at any time.
Nice shot. It's going round nicely as well. Well done. First par of the day.
Well, they say that 13 is an unlucky number. I have to say I disagree. My 13th birthday was on Friday the 13th, and of course I was born on Friday the 13th. And I've just struck a 7-iron at this glorious hole here at the Wheels of Kent Golf Club and put the ball straight on the green. So I'm now going to go down to see whether I can get a birdie. What a lovely day for a game of golf.
Well done.
Oh, what did I do for the BBC? So how lucky are we to be out on a glorious day like this playing golf? It just really reminds me that I'm so fortunate running a digital online business where I can choose to work when I want to, and I can also choose to play golf and do other things when I want to. So if this encourages you, then have a look more in detail at what we've got to offer here at this starting and running an online business. I can help you to do that. I can show you the way. I can encourage you. I can encourage you to do the things that perhaps most people find difficult to do, so that you too can have the freedom to work how, where and when you want to in the future. I look forward to talking to you soon.